Thank you for choosing Burger King. How may I help you?
How would a chili at Burger King taste in 2024? Well, let's go get some Whopper patties, see if we can make some chili at home and find out.
Thank you for choosing Burger King. How may I help you?
Can I get a Whopper patty by itself? Do you guys do that?
Yes. So do you want the bun on these?
No, I did not. Just the patties.
Okay, so you want 4 Whopper patties, plain, no bun, and then 4 of the Whopper Junior patties, plain, no bun?
Yeah, that's fine.
Trying to get it as cheap as possible for you. Give me 1 second. Alright, can I get you anything else?
No, that's it.
That is $33.16.
Ouch. $33.16. It's an expensive chili.
Did you need a fork and a knife?
No.
She put it in there anyway, so.
Alright, awesome. Thank you. I put these patties in the refrigerator for 4 hours so they would be easier to chop up. Alright guys, our cast iron skillet has been on medium heat for about 10 minutes. A little coconut oil in there. I'm going to go ahead and put these diced white onions in, 8 ounces. Start sauteing these. 1 can of diced tomatoes. 1 can of no salt chili beans. And in my chili I like to put black beans. So a can of black beans. And we'll cook that for about 5 to 7 minutes. So that's looking good. Let's go ahead and put these crumbles in. And 1 pack of the McCormick chili seasoning. You guys can use whatever you want. I'm using this McCormick reduced sodium, because with these patties there's plenty of salt in this chili. Once that starts going, reduce the heat and simmer for 20 minutes. I'm going to put this lid on. If you guys don't have a lid for your cast iron skillet, that'll be fine. You guys might remember in the early 2000s, Burger King actually did have a chili. For whatever reason, Burger King got out of the chili business. Alright, so that was simmering for about 20 minutes, and this really smells good. I like how much meat is in there. Probably if you wanted to, you could get another can of beans to put in. That would be good.
Yeah, you can tell it's plain broiled or whatever, right?
Yeah, you can taste that with the cast iron. Man. The right amount of beans in, and plenty of meat. So $34 for the patties. It's a little expensive. I wouldn't do that again, but if Burger King made a chili, I think it'd taste like this. Smells good. Already.